This French salad is one of the most filling and healthy salad out there. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you the best salad niçoise you could ever make. Throughout my career, I probably made this salad hundreds of times, as it used to be very popular in the restaurants. To make this super salad, we need, don't worry, I'm not going to waste your time saying all the ingredients one by one, which you can already find them in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump into cooking. First thing, I will make the vinaigrette. For that, whisk together the garlic, mustard, vinegar, lemon juice, and the oil in this new tubulette. Yes, it's the easiest way to make vinaigrette. Once the vinaigrette is ready, cook the potatoes in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the potatoes, obviously. In the same water, I'm adding French beans when 3 minutes left to finish with the potatoes. After 3 minutes, drain the water and cool it down immediately. In the meantime, we can fry the salmon. Yes, for my salad I'm using a nice piece of salmon instead of tuna chunks, unlike the original recipe. It is a bit more work, but it takes the salad to the next level. While salmon is cooking, I can quickly make some poached eggs. By the time I have finished making poached eggs and salmon, potatoes and beans are cooled down. Now simply cut the potatoes in dice and build the salad. Now cover the base of a salad bowl with the lettuce leaves, scatter the potatoes, beans, tomatoes, olives and capers over the leaves, and anchovies. Pour the vinaigrette over the top and finish with the salmon, poached eggs. That's it. You just learned one of the best French salad ever. There are other versions of the same salad you may know about. If you do, feel free to let us know in the comment, and I will see you in the next video.